We come in all shapes and sizes, but our clothing is still mass-produced.
We've created a machine to change that.
Meet Kniterate, a desktop digital knitting machine. Now you can create your own garments and accessories, and you can share them online in a digital wardrobe. It's easy to use. You can start a design from scratch using our web design app, or simply load an existing design from the online library. Choose the color and material to suit you and press Knit. Just make a few finishing touches and your design is ready to wear. The process of making a garment has never been so easy. Kniterate helps you be more efficient and iterate faster than ever. You can use our standard size templates or modify them to your needs to get to the final design. You can use your own yarn or choose from our great selection of tried and tested yarns like wool, cotton, acrylic, or silk in plenty of different colors. We'll provide you with the right parameters for each of our yarns, which will allow you to cut time on sampling and focus on the fun parts, designing and wearing garments. You can knit garments with the same quality as the clothes you can find in your favorite stores. You can also use your usual design software. Simply import your design into our app and have it ready to knit in seconds. Kniterate can help you grow your business, or even help you start a new one, offering personalized products to your customers and shortening lead times. By producing garments locally and on demand, there'll be no need to wait for samples. No more excess stock or waste. With Kniterate, you can make garments exactly to your needs, right in your neighborhood, so they don't have to be shipped halfway across the world. Kniterate is not limited to standard yarns, so you can bring your projects to life. With Kniterate, your creativity has no limits.
I started this project 4 years ago to democratize clothing manufacturing. After building a team and countless prototypes, we're finally bringing this industrial technology to your desktop.
Last summer, we lived in a factory with over 30 years of experience building industrial knitting machines, and now we're ready to make Kniterate for you.
But we need your support to create them cost effectively. So please, back us now. Thank you.
Hello, this is a Keigan motor, whose unique properties have allowed us to develop moving systems and robots incredibly quickly. This can be achieved relatively simply by picking up two motors and assigning them to the right wheel and left wheel respectively. Then you will have a two-wheel robot. As almost all your smartphones use wireless technology, Bluetooth Low Energy, they can easily communicate with Keigan motors if you download our app. As soon as you unbox your Keigan motor, you can program the device to perform various motions, say moving in a particular fashion from that point on, or you can playback your recorded motions in any order you like, or you can do many other things. Furthermore, you can control it remotely through the internet, with the force the motor receives being relayed back to your smartphone or other control devices. This is impossible for conventional motors, isn't it? You must have more ideas than we do. How about embodying your ideas now? To provide an environment in which your ideas can be realized is our mission. It has a USB port here. Yes, you can use a portable USB battery which many of you already have. However, its maximal torque is not weak at all. It is more than 2.6 inch-pounds numerically. It is equal to the torque required to lift a 2-liter plastic bottle. Handy USB portable battery generates such a big torque without gears. It is novel and exciting, isn't it? Kagan motors can be used with smartphones. Actually, for the simplest example, by pushing this button, you can record a motion by performing a movement by hand. I mean, you can do so-called direct teaching. Also, you can control other multiple motors by performing a movement by hand, as you can rewrite the angle and speed at which you rotate this motor to other multiple motors. Furthermore, you can relay your force needed for a desired movement to another motor, and so to another person. It is our dream that someday Kagan motors can be applied to medical examination by utilizing touch manipulation. We chose the brushless motors for Kagan motors after long deliberation. This was because they are silent and energy saving. Furthermore, they support systems that operates from a low speed to a high speed, say from 0.1 rotation per minute to 250 rotations per minute. You can control their speed as you want. It is our hope that you will be able to use Kagan motors in various forms according to your requirements as easily as possible. So we decided to release a robot starter kit. We include high-graded black aluminum frames and adapters for cameras and things like that. You can assemble various kinds of useful robots by yourselves without the need for special tools. Motors are essential for almost all robots. However, people who don't have expert knowledge cannot use motors at all. It takes much time and effort for people even with a little expert knowledge. I experienced this myself, to tell the truth. Now imagine individuals who don't have any expert knowledge but a smartphone. They will be able to use our Kagan motors quickly. It's amazing, isn't it? If everyone you can handle motors easily, we believe that the possibilities will be greatly expanded. We want you to try our motors with or without expert knowledge. You can make your own original robot tailored to your specific needs really quickly. We propose a method to develop various robots with various functions. If we try to design a new robot from scratch, it would cost a lot and have various problems that would need to be overcome. Therefore, we think the versatility of the Kagan motor is the best option. We can only show you one kind of Kagan motor just now, but in the future, we will release more and more kinds of Kagan motors. We dream of a society where anyone can create robots which are convenient for their daily life or business easily and quickly. Anyone, easily and quickly. It's our mission. This Kagan motor is our first product and first step for realizing our dream. For our dream to come true, it is essential to release more products. And it is essential for us that our Kagan motor succeeds. So please back our project. Thank you very much for your warm support.